Before you go to sleep tonight, there's one simple mistake that could be quietly stealing your vision, and most seniors make it without ever realizing it. What if I told you that the last thing you eat before bed can actually help repair your eyes, reduce blur, and protect your vision while you sleep? Not pills, not surgery, not expensive treatments, just one smart nighttime choice that works with your body's natural healing process. If your eyes feel tired, dry, or your night vision isn't what it used to be, you'll want to hear this, because what you do in the next few minutes could change how your eyes feel when you wake up tomorrow. What you eat before bed has a much deeper impact on your eyes than most people realize, especially as you get older. During the day, your eyes are constantly working, processing light, adjusting focus, and protecting themselves from environmental stressors like screens, glare, pollution, and dryness. By nighttime, the tissues of the eyes are fatigued and slightly inflamed, and this is when the body naturally shifts into repair mode. Sleep is not just rest, it is active healing, and the nutrients available in your system during this time determine how effective that healing process will be. For seniors, this becomes even more important because aging slows down cellular repair and reduces the body's ability to efficiently deliver nutrients to delicate areas like the retina and optic nerve. The last foods you eat before sleep can either support this repair process or quietly interfere with it. When the body enters deep sleep, blood flow patterns change, inflammation decreases, and growth hormone increases, all of which are essential for repairing eye tissue and maintaining visual clarity. If the body lacks the right nutrients at that moment, the repair process is weaker and less effective, allowing gradual vision decline to continue unchecked. Many seniors unknowingly sabotage nighttime eye repair by consuming sugary snacks, refined carbohydrates, or heavy processed foods before bed, which spike blood sugar and increase inflammation, placing extra stress on the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. Stable blood sugar and low inflammation are critical for protecting vision, particularly for older adults who may already have compromised circulation. Eating the right foods before bed provides the building blocks the eyes need to restore themselves while you sleep, supporting the retina's ability to process light, strengthening blood vessel walls, and reducing oxidative damage that accelerates age-related vision problems. This is not about eating more food, but about eating smarter at the right time. A small, intentional nighttime choice can nourish the eyes for hours while the body is in its most powerful healing state. Seniors often focus on what they eat during the day, but nighttime nutrition is just as important, if not more so, because it aligns with the body's natural repair cycle. When you consistently give your eyes the nutrients they need before sleep, you are working with your biology instead of against it, helping preserve vision, reduce eye strain, and support clearer sight over time without relying solely on supplements or medications. Full-fat plain yogurt plays a powerful role in supporting eye health, especially for seniors whose bodies are no longer as efficient at absorbing and utilizing nutrients. One of the most important nutrients in yogurt for vision is vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy retinal function and clear night vision. Vitamin A helps the eyes convert light into signals that the brain can interpret, and without adequate amounts, vision can become dim, slow to adjust in low light, and more easily strained. As people age, vitamin A absorption often declines, making natural food sources that include supportive nutrients even more valuable. Yogurt also provides zinc, a mineral that works closely with vitamin A by helping transport it from storage in the liver to the retina where it is needed most. Zinc deficiency is surprisingly common in older adults and is strongly linked to reduced visual sharpness and poor night vision. In addition to vitamin A and zinc, full-fat yogurt contains beneficial probiotics that support gut health, which directly influences eye health in ways many people do not expect. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, reduces systemic inflammation, and helps regulate immune responses that can otherwise damage delicate eye tissues. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a major contributor to age-related vision problems, including dry eyes and macular degeneration, and probiotics help calm this inflammatory response from within. The fat content in full-fat yogurt is another crucial factor that sets it apart from low-fat or fat-free versions. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning they require dietary fat to be properly absorbed and used by the body. Without enough fat, even a nutrient-rich food may not deliver its full benefits to the eyes. The natural fats in yogurt help ensure these vision-supporting nutrients are actually absorbed and transported to eye tissues during sleep, when repair processes are most active. Yogurt also contains protein and amino acids that support tissue repair and cellular regeneration, providing the raw materials needed for maintaining healthy eye structures. Another often overlooked benefit is yogurt's calming effect on the nervous system. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that supports relaxation and better sleep quality. Better sleep allows the eyes to spend more time in deep restorative phases, enhancing the benefits of the nutrients consumed before bed. For seniors, this combination of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, probiotics, and sleep-supporting compounds makes full-fat plain yogurt uniquely effective. Food for nighttime eye support when consumed in the right portion and with added sugars. Blueberries are one of the most powerful natural foods for protecting and supporting vision, particularly for seniors whose eyes are more vulnerable to age-related damage. What makes blueberries so effective for eye health is their exceptionally high concentration of anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants responsible for their deep blue and purple color. These compounds have a unique ability to protect the tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the eyes. As people age, circulation to the eyes often becomes less efficient and weakened. Blood vessels can limit the delivery of vital nutrients to the retina. Anthocyanins help strengthen these vessels, improve blood flow, and support healthy capillary function, allowing the eyes to receive the nourishment they need for repair and maintenance. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches the retina, which is essential for maintaining clarity, contrast sensitivity, and overall visual performance. In addition to improving blood flow, blueberries play a critical role in reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals overwhelm the body's natural defenses, damaging the cells responsible for vision and accelerating the aging process. The retina is especially vulnerable to oxidative damage because it is constantly exposed to light and has a high metabolic demand. The antioxidants in blueberries neutralize these free radicals, helping protect retinal cells from degeneration and reducing the risk of age-related vision decline. Another important benefit of blueberries is their ability to support visual adaptation, which is the eye's ability to adjust between light and dark environments. Many seniors struggle with night vision and glare, particularly when driving after sunset or moving from bright to dim spaces. Anthocyanins have been shown to support the regeneration of visual pigments in the retina, helping the eyes adapt more smoothly to changes in light levels. Blueberries also help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is a crucial but often overlooked factor in eye health. Fluctuations in blood sugar can damage the small blood vessels in the eyes and increase inflammation, especially in older adults and those with insulin resistance. By supporting more balanced blood sugar, blueberries help reduce this stress on the eyes and protect against long-term damage. Beyond their direct effects on vision, blueberries also contribute to reduce systemic inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation quietly accelerates tissue damage in the eyes over time. The anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries help counteract this process. When consumed regularly, especially in the evening, blueberries provide a steady supply of protective compounds that work during sleep to support eye repair, protect delicate structures, and help preserve clearer vision as the years go by. Eating a small low-sugar serving at the right time before bed can make a significant difference in how effectively the body supports eye health during sleep. The timing of food intake matters because the body follows a natural circadian rhythm that controls digestion, hormone release, and tissue repair. When you eat approximately 60 to 90 minutes before going to sleep, your body has enough time to digest and absorb nutrients without overstimulating the digestive system or disrupting sleep quality. For seniors, this window is especially important because digestion tends to slow with age, and eating too close to bedtime can interfere with restful sleep, which is essential for eye repair. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone and shifts into a restorative state where damaged cells are repaired and inflammation is reduced. This is when nutrients circulating in the bloodstream are actively directed toward healing tissues, including the retina, optic nerve, and the tiny blood vessels that support vision. Choosing a low-sugar option before bed helps keep blood sugar stable throughout the night, which is critical for protecting the eyes. Spikes in blood sugar trigger inflammatory responses and oxidative stress that can damage delicate eye structures and impair circulation. Stable blood sugar allows the body to remain in a calm, repair-focused state rather than switching into a stress response. Seniors who consume sugary snacks or refined carbohydrates at night often experience disrupted sleep and increased inflammation, both of which negatively impact eye health. A small portion is just as important as timing because large meals divert energy toward digestion instead of repair. When the body is not overloaded with food, it can prioritize healing and regeneration. Consuming a modest amount of nutrient-dense food ensures that the eyes receive essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without burdening the digestive system. Proper timing also supports melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Melatonin has antioxidant properties and plays a role in protecting the retina from oxidative damage. When sleep is deep and uninterrupted, melatonin levels remain balanced, enhancing the eye's ability to recover from daily stress. For seniors, this approach creates a gentle nightly routine that aligns with the body's natural rhythms rather than working against them. Over time, consistently eating a small, low-sugar snack within this ideal window before bed helps reduce nighttime inflammation, improve circulation to the eyes, and maximize the body's natural ability to repair and maintain vision during sleep. Eating a small, low-sugar serving at the right time before bed can make a powerful difference in how well the body supports eye health during sleep, especially for seniors. The body operates on a natural internal clock that controls digestion, hormone release, and tissue repair, and nighttime is when healing takes priority. Consuming food about 60 to 90 minutes before sleep gives the digestive system enough time to process nutrients without pulling energy away from restorative function. As people age, digestion slows and becomes more sensitive, so eating too late or too heavily can interfere with sleep quality, which directly affects how well the eyes repair themselves overnight. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is when the body releases growth hormone and shifts into full repair mode, directing nutrients to damaged tissues including the retina, optic nerve, and the tiny blood vessels that supply the eyes. Choosing a low-sugar option before bed is essential because blood sugar stability plays a major role in eye health. High sugar intake causes spikes and crashes that trigger inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which damage delicate eye structures and impair circulation. For seniors, these blood sugar fluctuations are especially harmful because aging blood vessels are already more fragile. Keeping blood sugar steady throughout the night allows the body to remain in a calm, healing state rather than entering a stress response. Portion size matters just as much as timing because large meals force the body to focus on digestion instead of repair. A small serving of nutrient-dense food provides the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed for eye health without overwhelming the digestive system. This allows the body to use its energy efficiently, supporting cellular repair rather than storage or inflammation. Proper nighttime timing also supports healthy melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Melatonin does more than help you fall asleep. It acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects the retina from oxidative damage caused by light exposure and aging. When sleep quality improves, melatonin levels remain balanced, enhancing the eye's ability to recover from daily strain. For seniors, establishing this simple routine creates consistency and works in harmony with the body's natural rhythms. Over time, eating a small, low-sugar snack within this ideal window before bed helps reduce nighttime inflammation, improve blood flow to the eyes, and maximize the body's natural ability to protect and maintain vision during sleep. Consistent bedtime nutrition can have a gradual but meaningful impact on how the eyes feel and function, particularly for seniors who often experience dryness, fatigue, and blurred vision. When the body receives the right nutrients night after night, it creates a supportive environment for ongoing repair rather than temporary relief. Eye dryness is a common complaint with aging because tear production decreases and inflammation increases over time. Providing nutrients that support healthy fats, hydration balance, and reduced inflammation can help the eyes retain moisture more effectively, leading to greater comfort upon waking. Many seniors notice that their eyes feel less irritated in the morning when nighttime nutrition supports the body's natural repair processes. Morning blur is another issue that often improves with consistency. As the eyes age, it can take longer for visual clarity to stabilize after sleep due to slower circulation and reduced cellular efficiency. Nutrient support at night helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the retina, allowing visual systems to function more smoothly upon waking. Visual fatigue, especially during reading or screen use, is also closely tied to inflammation and oxidative stress. When these stressors are reduced through regular nighttime nourishment, the eyes can handle daily visual demands with less strain. The key is consistency because the benefits of nutritional support build over time rather than appearing instantly. Just as muscles become stronger with regular exercise, the eyes respond to steady, supportive care. Each night of proper nutrition contributes to healthier eye tissues, stronger blood vessels, and improved cellular resilience. For seniors, this approach empowers them to take an active role in protecting their vision without relying solely on medication or supplements. Small, repeated habits are often more effective than dramatic, short-term changes. Over weeks and months, consistent bedtime nutrition helps slow age-related decline. By reducing cumulative damage, the that would otherwise continue unchecked. It supports the body's ability to maintain the vision that remains, rather than constantly playing catch-up with damage. Seniors who adopt this habit often report feeling more confident in their daily activities. From reading labels to navigating low-light environments, the reduction in discomfort and strain improves quality of life, encourages continued engagement in hobbies and social activities. By nourishing the eyes consistently at night, seniors create a protective routine that works quietly in the background, reinforcing eye health and comfort as part of a sustainable, long-term lifestyle approach rather than a quick fix.